Let's make Instant Pot bean soup. This delicious and cozy soup has bright flavors and is super easy to make. It's pretty much a set it and forget it situation, and we all need a few of those recipes in our back pocket. First, set your pressure cooker to the sauté setting and cook the onions until golden brown at the edges. Because the heating element in an Instant Pot is small, resist the urge to stir a lot. Cook until the onions look like this. Next, add the aromatics like garlic, Italian seasoning, and red pepper flakes and sauté for about 1 minute. Now it's time for the veggies, beans, and broth. Don't bother pre-soaking the beans here, just let the pressure cooker work its magic. To finish it off, stir in some baby spinach and lemon juice. And there you have it, the perfect, cozy Instant Pot bean soup. You can serve this healthy, plant-based soup on its own, or pair it with warm bread for dipping.